Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign up or create an account in Glassdoor. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to create an account in Glassdoor or to sign up in it, all you need to do is simply tap open the Glassdoor app. So once you tap open the Glassdoor app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is select your location. So once you have tapped on complete button, you need to tap on continue with email or Google or Facebook. Here I have chosen email, so type in your email address, and once you have typed in the email address, hit the what's next button and create a password. So once you have created a password as well, you need to tap on next, and after you have done this as well, you need to simply fill up what kind of job you are looking for and type in the job title. And then after you have done this as well, you need to now simply tap on the location which is visible for you or easier for you to work in. So once you have typed in both these credentials, you need to tap on the sign up for notification button to notify you or not, and you're all set with a new Glassdoor account created as you are signed up in Glassdoor. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.